This is what Rudy and I have been having to put up with for the last couple days here. Rudy's smacking with the pillow again.
Smart. Pat, you need to go buy some breathe right strips.
We've got it documented now.